no explosion, no warning. Every morning, gravity is slightly stronger than it was yesterday. First, your phone feels heavier, then stairs become mountains. And within weeks, getting out of bed could become the most dangerous thing you do all day. And gravity is not going to stop. On day 1, you barely notice. You reach for your morning coffee, but the mug feels slightly heavier, a feeling you blame on poor sleep. By day 3, a packed suitcase feels like someone secretly added a bowling ball, and lifting your dog takes a sudden, conscious effort. This is a thought experiment. Earth's surface gravity increases by approximately 1% each day, while the planet remains structurally stable. Your mass, the actual matter inside you, remains constant. But your weight, the downward force on that mass, is climbing. Your bathroom scale has not betrayed you. Technically, the entire planet has. By day 10, gravity hits about 1.1 g, gym weights feel wrong, and the elevator groans under the strain. In early simulation outcomes, athletes notice lower jumps, runners slow down, and birds need frantic effort to take off, while tiny, compact insects cope easily. If our bodies are already struggling, what fails next as the pull intensifies? But humans are not the first system beginning to fail. The machines carrying us are already in trouble. Your commute is the first casualty. Cars struggle to accelerate as tires bulge under mounting pressure, fighting increased rolling resistance while brakes run dangerously hot. Overhead, delivery drones and helicopters vanish from the sky first, unable to generate enough lift. Commercial flights operate half-empty just to get off the runway. At home, everyday life gets weird. Moving a sofa becomes an extreme sport. Grocery bag handles snap without warning, and falling out of bed becomes a surprisingly painful ordeal. In high-rises, elevator capacity signs are no longer polite suggestions. They are survival warnings as cables groan under the weight. Simulation models show that global infrastructure won't collapse all at once. Instead, older, corroded bridges and poorly maintained foundations fail first, while modern, reinforced skyscrapers hold firm. This leaves us with a chilling question. As the planet presses down harder with every sunrise, which will give way first, our concrete infrastructure or the human frame? And while cities become heavier, your body is fighting a battle you cannot see. By day 30, gravity has reached nearly 1.35 g. Because we evolved under today's pull, your body now registers this change as a constant heavy weight. Standing up feels like carrying a loaded pack that you can never take off. Every step is a deliberate effort, and climbing stairs becomes exhausting. Behind the scenes, your heart works overtime, fighting to push blood upward to your brain while gravity constantly drags it down toward your legs. For anyone older, or those with joint and heart conditions, this unceasing downward pull is felt first. Falls become far more dangerous because your muscles can no longer arrest your momentum in time. While long-term survival limits remain unknown, sustained high-gravity simulations show our daily lives would quickly adapt. We would spend more time sitting or lying down on lower, wider, stronger furniture. Homes and offices would require retrofitted handrails, and buildings would be redesigned entirely around horizontal movement. Even physical therapy would shift. The local swimming pool has just become the easiest place in town to stand up. But stronger gravity would not only redesign humans, it would begin redesigning life itself. As gravity steadily climbs, nature faces a brutal ecological filter. Large mammals struggle with joint strain and basic feeding, while giraffe-like body plans fail under the leverage of their own necks. In contrast, smaller, lower-bodied organisms gain a mechanical advantage. In the air, simulations suggest birds would need longer takeoff runs and stronger winds before losing flight entirely, and even resilient insects might eventually fail to hover. Plants also adapt. Trees experience massive self-weight stress. Tall branches snap and root systems buckle, forcing future forests to favor shorter, thicker, broader-crowned species. In the oceans, temporary buoyant support is offset as water pressure rises much faster with depth. Depending on whether Earth is gaining mass, shrinking in radius, or passing through an external field, a tightly bound atmosphere compresses, shifting surface pressure in storms. Across these simulation models, the entire biosphere trends toward lower, stronger shapes. Then humanity looks upward and realizes gravity has trapped us on Earth. Our eye in the sky is slipping. Satellites stay up by balancing their speed against Earth's downward pull, but as gravity climbs, that delicate balance shatters. Simulation models show low-orbit satellites drifting from their paths, their ground tracks warping as they descend into the thickening atmosphere. To fight this decay, these platforms burn through their station-keeping fuel in weeks rather than years. GPS tracking lags, weather forecasting degrades. Global communication networks slowly go dark. High-altitude systems hold out longer, but they require constant, frantic corrections. Meanwhile, escape becomes impossible. Rockets need double the thrust just to lift off, carrying almost no payload. Can we escape before the window slams shut? Humanity finally has a reason to leave Earth, just as Earth makes leaving almost impossible. Around day 70, the physical toll becomes absolute. At 2G, you weigh twice as much. Your muscles, bones, and heart fight a constant, crushing battle just to keep you upright and breathing. Food still sits in warehouses and farms, but lifting and hauling it has become an existential bottleneck. Municipal water systems fail as pumps struggle to push water upward against double the resistance. Civilization scrambles to adapt. Laborers rely on heavy-powered suits, and automated robots handle basic deliveries. We reinforce existing structures and build water-supported habitats to ease the physical strain. Yet every engineering fix is temporary. A solution built for today's weight becomes obsolete tomorrow as the ground pulls harder. If this relentless rise never stops, technology and biology will eventually run out of answers. Gravity is the invisible force that makes ordinary life possible. But if it grew stronger every day, the force holding us safely to Earth would eventually become our prison. How long could you survive, and what everyday object would become useless first? Comment below and subscribe to Astral Nexus HQ for more what-if scenarios. We exist entirely by cosmic permission. The invisible force holding our world together is a constant reminder that our survival relies on a delicate balance we can never take for granted.